Hello everyone. Sometimes you open your document and see a green line. If you want to delete this line, you must know this line when appear, you open a document more than once, which means you open this document in another tab or another device like phone or tablet, and for delete this line you must close that tab or close that app in your another device. For example, I open this file in two different tabs. For delete this green line, just close one of them. For example, I close this one, and as you see, the green line was deleted in the first document. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more video. Thanks for watching.